Hello everyone, welcome to our channel redhat. So here you are going to get the job updates as a day to day. So we are going to provide every information for IT field and even non-IT field guys. By sitting in a home you can be apply for a job and get a easily job. So if you want a link and any other information of a job, then you have to join our Telegram, Instagram, then even we had a YouTube. So join as much as fast guys. So let's start without any wasting our time. So guys, today's company is redhat. So let us see in detail about that, whatever they had been given information. Redhat hiring for 2023 batch associate quality engineer. So let's see in detail about that. So here they had been mentioned about their company. Go through it, you will be get some idea. Then company name, as we know, redhat. Post name, associate quality engineer. You must be work as associate quality of engineer. Salary is 8 lakh. It was amazing salary guys. One of the experience, there is no need of any experience. You may be a fresher, it's all right. Then batches are for 2023, 22, 21, 20, 19. Job location, work from home. So it is a best salary and even you will be working from the home only guys. So last date, as much as fast you must be applied, they didn't mention. So here they had been mentioned the job responsibilities. Test new features and ensures a fast feedback for a developer. Create and maintain a testing artifacts. Write, automate text script, analyze test result and identify the file bugs accordingly. Test bugs are written bug pre-producer. Write performance test scripts. So these are the responsibilities. Eligible criteria, as we know, bachelor or master degree from any stream. So you must be have this all the skill guys. Good communication skill, then good object oriented programming concepts, knowledge of HTTP communication. So go through it everyone, point by point you will be get everything clarities. So if you want to apply, click here guys, you will be get one link and fill the form. You can be apply for that company if you are interested. So if you want to join our Telegram, WhatsApp, just a one click you will be join our Telegram and WhatsApp. Even you will be get a link in description. So I hope you had been got all the clarities of today's company. So whoever are interested, you can be apply guys. So thank you.